Hey, what's up guys? It's Sabhi here from Sabhi's Life. Welcome to another video. So in today's video we will be putting harness to our cat Ellie, and it's going to be a really difficult task because our cat Ellie is almost 1.5 years old and she is not used to of harness. So right now we actually purchased a harness before, but it's a small size and we are going to Kmart to replace it with the bigger size. So we are going right now, and at the moment Zainab is doing her keyboard practice. What are you doing, Zainab?
I'm doing my iPad.
Sorry?
I'm doing my iPad.
You are doing your iPad, but you were doing keyboard practice few minutes ago.
Yeah.
Are you taking lessons from iPad?
No, not now.
Not now. So are you ready to go to Kmart? Shall we go now? Let's go! And where is our Ellie? How are you? Did you enjoy your shower bath last time? Was it good? You seemed very excited that time when you were having a bath. And look how clean you look now since you had shower or bath. So we are going to Kmart to get you the right size of harness, and then we will walk you outside. Okay? Alright, let's go, Zainab.
What?
Mustafa?
Yes?
We are just coming back in few minutes.
Okay.
Maybe 30 minutes.
Okay.
Okay? Are you happy to stay home with mom?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Do you want to say anything?
Yes.
What do you want to say? Huh?
Nothing.
Nothing? Okay, just close the door slowly. Okay, bye, Mustafa. It's a beautiful sunny day outside, and it's actually inside the car it's like 40 degrees, but outside it's only 20 degrees. So this car is very warm, and we maybe have to start our air conditioning in this car. So guys, we have harness here. So this is the harness we will be putting to on Ellie.
You can also take it off.
Let me have a look. Yes.
Like this.
So where is Ellie?
Ellie's over there.
Okay. Ellie, come on, we're going to put harness on you now. Hello Ellie, are you looking outside? Why? You wanna run away from us? Ellie, what's happening? Okay, Zainab, do you wanna put harness on him? On her?
So, just a bit. Oh, Ellie, come on. Come on. You have to wear it.
Come on.
No. Ah, God.
हटो सामने से.
We need a tighten.
Mustafa, are you excited?
Yeah.
Okay. So this is the treat we're going to offer her. Ellie just loves this one. Alright, so what we gonna do now? Tell us.
We're gonna give her the treat first, so she knows
Okay,
that she did
so
a
she
good job.
has got her harness on her, and now we're gonna give her a treat.
I think, should we take this off first?
Why?
So she's a bit comfortable at first, and then when she's
So we don't need this, do we? The butterfly thing.
when she's comfortable and we want,
Yeah. Then we can put it later on.
yeah.
When we gonna?
Right now she's-
So where is her leash?
Her leash is in the cat trap.
Let me see. So this is a harness, and is it properly
I'll
fit
tie
on her?
it here.
So is it the all right size for her?
Yeah, because when we got the small size, it was very tight. I
Okay.
think this is alright because like.
Okay, so where is the leash?
The leash is in here.
Ellie, this Mustafa, bring a treat. Where is her treat? Yes. इसको खोलो, मुझे एक ट्रीट दो इसमें से निकाल के. छोड़ दो ये अभी 2-3 निकाल के रखो. तीन अभी नहीं टच करना, 3-4 निकाल के रखो. नहीं अभी नहीं. इसको रख दो मुस्तफा. So what we do then? Tell us. Should we take her outside in the backyard?
Yes, first the backyard.
Or we should walk her inside.
Maybe, yeah, inside first. But we have to like cover up the rooms and stuff so she doesn't get in there.
Cover up the room.
Like close the doors.
Mustafa, can you close all the doors, please?
Okay.
Not this one. Okay, close this one too, and also close your bedroom as well.
Okay.
So where should we pull her, Zainab?
Not pull her because basically the leash is for just staying close. So maybe.
Yeah, exactly.
Maybe I think we should get her outside so she can walk around a bit.
You wanna do that, and then I will.
Okay, I'll do it.
So should we take her to the backyard first, or you think the backyard she's used to already?
She's already used to.
So at last we have managed to put harness correctly on Ellie, and he is not very comfortable right now. So we got to make her feel comfortable. Huh. Take it, eat it. Not hungry? Ellie, are you not comfortable?
No.
Ellie, I know you are not comfortable with this one, but you gotta get used to it.
And at the end you'll like it because we'll take you to a lot of places you've never been. Ellie.
That's where you want to be.
It's okay.
I'd wear chocolate too.
Is she comfortable?
No. She meowed no.
Okay. Okay, Zainab.
She's gonna run away, Dad.
Alright,
Close
I'm
the
gonna.
door. It's okay. Ellie, it's okay.
नहीं जल्दी से बंद करो जल्दी से.
Ellie.
It's okay.
No.
It'll be fine. It'll be fine. You're inside. The
मसला ये है कि मुस्तफा आप वीडियो बना सकते हो.
ठीक है.
She's scared.
Hello Ellie, are
She's
you okay?
kinda
इसको थोड़ी सी ट्रीट दो.
नहीं खा रही नहीं मैंने दिया.
Mustafa, can you hold the camera like this? I will turn back the car.
Hold it.
मसला नहीं है ना कि मैं कैसे सारी दोनों चीजें एक साथ करूं.
मुस्तफा
चलो मैं इसी तरह करता हूँ फिर. आप बिकॉज हम यहीं तक पीछे कर रहे हैं. मुस्तफा बैठ जाओ. पीछे नॉर्मल सीट पे बैठ जाओ. नॉर्मल सीट पे बैठ जाओ.
क्यों मैं नॉर्मल सीट?
हाँ बस बैठ जाओ ना, हम लोग ज्यादा दूर नहीं जा रहे. बस
नॉर्मल सीट.
ठीक है. बट मैं नहीं एक्स्ट्रा लिखो बट मैं.
It's okay. You're not taking a bath. This is better than a bath. I think. It's okay. Nothing's gonna hurt you. You're inside. Oh no, Ellie. You're gonna be fine.
अब मसला ये कि वीडियो की रिकॉर्डिंग किस तरह करें. चलो यहाँ तक बस सही है. फिर फिर वहाँ पार्क में जाके देखते हैं. लेकिन ये ना हो कि पार्क में भाग गई चेन उठा के, फिर तो आप गई. क्यों? अगर फर्ज करो कि उसमें से निकल गई वो लीश में से, फिर क्या होगा?
नहीं निकलेगी, मुझे पता है.
आपको कैसे पता? अगर निकल गई फिर क्या होगा? चलो फिर इस पार्क में ले जाते हैं जहाँ पे घर ज्यादा दूर नहीं है.
मैं यही पार्क, इस पार्क में ही तो बोल रही हूँ. वो वाले नहीं, वो कभी भी नहीं ले जाए जब तक वो.
So she seems right now comfortable, but I know she is not
Look
comfortable
at the
at all.
hair.
I know.
But the bunny, bunny rabbit's hair.
Okay, let's stop this recording and we are going to the park because I cannot record at the same time while driving. So
And Mustafa, sit back in your seat.
Okay. I'm scared of Ellie.
He's not gonna do anything.
He's not lost.
So it seems like that she's comfortable. We have done a bit of driving and she seems okay, and she was looking outside as well.
But look at the size
Zainab,
of it.
can you put up a little bit?
Come on.
Cute Ellie, seems very comfortable right now,
Yes.
and your claws are not coming out, so it means you are okay.
Yeah, and your eyes aren't like big. So that means, yeah, she's comfortable.
Mustafa, you come out first.
Yes.
Hello, Ellie. Come on, outside.
She's comfortable.
All right, let's go. चलो। अगर आपसे नहीं हो रहा तो गाड़ी में बैठ जाओ दोबारा। वो भागनी नहीं चाहिए ज़ैनब, ये दिमाग में रखना। आओ